Good morning and happy Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the instructions for the Week 9 KWL practice. Let's look at the learning targets. The first one says I can activate my background knowledge to learn more about a text or a topic. We're continuing to practice building your background knowledge so that you are familiar with the skills necessary to succeed on challenging texts. The second learning target is I can compare information from multiple information sources. So we're going to be looking at both a video and a text. I can record facts and information I learned about a topic to demonstrate my understanding. That one's a me and you learning target because the best way for me to see that you understand or comprehend what you just read about is for you to write a little bit about it and tell me what you think was important. So we're working towards being able to read and write about things we're learning about to begin to explore those topics and build our understanding together. The directions go as follows. Happy Wednesday. This week we are continuing to practice researching and reading to learn about a topic. We will research why leaves change colors in the fall. If you are doing virtual learning today, you will use the Google assignment at the bottom of this page. It's down here. Looks different on my screen. If you're in person, meaning you're here in my classroom, but for some reason you're watching this video, we're going to do it on paper. Follow all directions to complete the assignment. So there are 7 steps to this. I think it'll take 15 to 20 minutes, but it should be fun. We're learning about a cool topic. The first one is to open your KWL. So you would scroll down to this, and it looks different here, but you'd click on the name of the assignment, Week 9 KWL Practice, which looks like this. We're going to work in the no column. So let's look back at our directions now that we have it open. It says write down everything you know about leaves and why they change color for 30 seconds in the no column. So you flip back here and you begin typing anything that you know about leaves and why they change colors in this column. Next, you're going to come up with 3 to 4 questions and write them down in the want to know column. So ask yourself, what are you curious about? What do you know you don't know? Why do you think things happen? Come up with 3 to 4 questions in this middle column here. Once you've done that, I want you to watch the 3-minute video at this link called SciKids' Why Do Leaves Change Color? We're practicing that short research strategy today, that when a teacher introduces a new topic, you can boost your comprehension by taking 3 to 5 minutes to watch a video or read a short text to improve your understanding so that when you encounter the more difficult text in class, you are prepared and you know some vocabulary and some concepts. School will get much easier if you take control of building your background knowledge. So the video looks like this. It's only 3.5 minutes long, so it's even shorter than usual, but it's a good primer for what we're going to talk about next. Once you're done with the video, step 4 says to add 3 to 5 things that you learned in the learned column on the KWL. So you flip back here and you start to add some facts into this right-hand column over here. Then once you've done the KWL column, you do step 5, which is reading the article or listening to it with the video below down here. And it's called To Survive Wintertime, Leaves Ditch Brilliant Leaves. Trees ditch brilliant leaves. I should fix that. I've got the link to open it here in Google for you. Shouldn't give you any issues this week. It's about 1.5 pages long. And in the read aloud, I go through the vocabulary that I think you should know. But in this case, the only word that stood out to me was the word pigment, which means like paint or color. Step 6 says add 3 to 5 facts that you learned from the article to the learned column. So again, just like after the first video, you come back to this Week 9 KWL thing and you add more facts here. I set this up so that as you type into it, it will automatically expand if you need more space. So you don't have to worry about that. And finally, step 7 says to submit the KWL assignment when you're all done. To do that, you may have to hit the refresh button up here in the top left corner to get this to give you the submit button. All right. I'm hoping to see 100% completion of this. I think it's a cool text. I think it's a fun video. And I think that you're going to appreciate trees and the fall colors even more when you're all done. I'll see you soon.